Welcome to today's deep dive. Our subject is the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds, and by the end of this video, you will understand it in a completely new way. Let's start at the very beginning. The secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds has roots that stretch back further than most people imagine. Long before modern science gave us the tools to study it properly, ancient thinkers were already fascinated by the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds. They noticed patterns, asked questions, and built early frameworks of understanding that still influence us today. But what exactly makes the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds so compelling? The answer lies in its complexity. The secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds sits at the intersection of multiple fields of knowledge. It touches on science, history, human psychology, and even philosophy. To truly understand the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds, you need to look at it from all of these angles simultaneously. Let's talk about the science first. From a scientific perspective, the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds reveals fundamental truths about how our universe operates. The laws and principles that govern the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds are the same ones that govern everything else in existence. When scientists study the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds, they are not just learning about one isolated phenomenon. They are uncovering universal patterns that apply across all of nature. The historical dimension of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds is equally fascinating. Throughout the centuries, our understanding of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds has evolved dramatically. What ancient scholars believed about the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds was often wrong, but their observations were remarkably insightful for their time. Each era brought new tools, new perspectives, and new breakthroughs in our knowledge of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds. Now let us consider the human element. Why do people care so deeply about the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds? The answer is that the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds resonates with something fundamental in the human experience. It connects to our deepest questions about existence, purpose, and our place in the universe. When we explore the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds, we are not just satisfying intellectual curiosity. We are also searching for meaning and understanding in a complex world. The philosophical implications of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds are profound. Thinkers throughout history have used the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds as a lens through which to examine bigger questions. What does the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds tell us about the nature of reality? About consciousness? About our responsibilities to each other and to the planet? These are not simple questions, and the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds does not offer simple answers. But it does offer a rich and rewarding path of inquiry. Looking to the future, the study of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds is more important than ever. As our world becomes more complex and interconnected, the insights offered by the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds become increasingly valuable. New technologies are opening up exciting new ways to explore and understand the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds. And new generations of researchers are bringing fresh perspectives and innovative approaches to the field. In conclusion, the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds is a subject that rewards curiosity and careful thought. The more you explore it, the more you discover. The questions it raises lead to even more fascinating questions. And the answers, when they come, have the power to genuinely change how you see the world. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the secret of Mount Everest explained in 60 seconds. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more in-depth content just like this. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring.